You know, in terms of strategy, I think Jupidex and Kverneland are very much aligned. And they mentioned it in their conference as well. You know, they focus on efficient, smart, technological precision farming. And I think that's something that's not as much communicated in Africa and South Africa as yet, but we're focusing and we're working really hard on that to make sure that our farmers feel comfortable using these machines, you know, going forward, that we are the support system that'll make them successful.
Yeah, we are talking about a complete new range in our Kverneland portfolio. The main question behind is why we have investigated in a complete new range in the Kverneland Group. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more.
As you know, we are all consumers and we would like all to have better food with less chemicals or a better use of chemicals. That's the first reason. And for this reason, you know that there are some rules which are coming.
We have to reduce the chemicals on 50% in the future. So the plan until 2030. So it's very close for us that we have to reduce the chemicals, and we farmers searching for solutions.
For these reasons, as a ag machinery manufacturer, we must help our end customer, farmers and contractors, to go in this direction, providing them the right products. And as we are a full liner of equipment, we need to have a full range of this product, but also a full range of mechanical weeders. We have now precision or accuracy thanks to guidance interface. We would like to keep the accuracy of the guidance interface, and for this reason we need to have accurate row, accurate parallelogram. We are the only one to put some conical pins on the parallelogram. This way the parallelogram doesn't move this way, you know. So with the precision and the accuracy of the guidance interface and this accuracy, we can prove to you that we can work with row spacing at 12.5 centimeters. We are one of the only one on the market.
The speed, the accuracy is mainly driven by the guidance interface. Many farmers in the world using RTK, very precise guidance systems on the tractor. That is what farmers all over the world are doing in the moment. To have a very nice accuracy on the tractor for such a machine, not enough. We want to be as close as possible on the main crop. Therefore, we need a guidance interface with cameras. The cameras look to the rows and guide the complete machine. That is very important for this kind of machinery. Here you can see a lot of different tool settings. Here we have a machine for cereals, so we are also one of the only in the market that we have a machine for interrow cultivation on cereals at a row distance of 12.5 centimeters. On the other side you see two different machines with a row distance of 75 centimeters. Here you see a machine with a row distance of 45 centimeters. So that machine is the row crops, sugar beets for example, cereals, and here we have as main crop maize. But now I'm a farmer, Guillaume. I have different crops in my crop rotation. I have some cereals, I have sugar beets, and I have maize. Now I have to buy 3 machines, or is it? Do we have a different way?
Accuracy is the first advantage of this machine, but also flexibility. As you can see, all the parallelograms are fitted on a frame which is H-shaped, you know. So this way you can put your parallelograms wherever you want quite easily. We can have mechanical parallelograms, but we can also have, as you can see, hydraulic parallelograms.
This machine has hydraulic cylinders. These cylinders are for lifting the parallelogram, not to adding pressure on the parallelogram. And if we have a hydraulic system on the frame, on the parallelogram, then the machine is steered by isobus and isobus section control.
After the parallelogram, you can see 2 bolts. Generally, on an interrow cultivator, there is only one here. Of course, there is one bolt in order to manage the depth control of the wheel, you know, but there's another bolt to manage the pressure. And to manage that, there is the second bolt, and behind this second bolt, in this square tube, there is a preloaded spring. Even if you have a mechanical suspension or hydraulic suspension, you always have this spring. When you have an element with 5 tines, the weight is approximately 75 kilograms. But with this preloaded spring, it helps the parallelograms to go till 120 kilograms. So if you have very hot and very strong condition, if you have such a type of tine which are very flat, so quite difficult to help to enter into the soil, with this exclusivity, we can help the pyrethrum to enter into the soil. So that's a very important argument, and farmers are looking to that a lot.
Our main goal is to protect crops. So a mechanical weeder is a combined machine to work in the soil, but it's also a crop care product. What we want to have in the field is very healthy crop. That is the main goal, and we don't want to have weeds in the field. In this product range you see that we have a very wide portfolio, and that we try to fulfill all customer demands. That is our goal, and also our goal is to spread these machines all over the world. We want to serve farmers all over the world with these very nice machines.
Some of these products will be available after November. Some of them already on the price lists, and we can start to quote immediately. Some of them will only be available summertime next year for the African market. But I think we're excited that the critical components and the critical ones that we feel that are really going to make change in our environment are already available for us. By next year at Nampo, you will already be able to see these products, and we're looking forward to customers coming through our stand and coming and looking at these products, looking at our social media. You will already see them and be able to look at them. Yeah. You know, we're very excited about the future. Kverneland is really a great partnership with us, and we feel honored to be here and honored to be invited to look at the future together with them. It's easy to work with them. It's easy to have a great relationship with them. We're just looking forward to a great future together with them and building that through with our customers and our partnership.